Hi, teachers and staff. Let's walk through how to mark exams in the staff portal. It's simple. Before that, let's go over the exam process first. Teachers first create an exam template, then assign it to their students or attach it to a specific course, so it's not a repetitive task. Once that's done, you just wait for students to complete the exam. Only then can you mark the exams and share the results. Exams are in. Let's walk through the marking process. In the navigation menu, click Tools, then select Exam and choose the Exam tab. In the Exam tab, what a teacher can see depends on the permissions set by the admin. Again, remember, the number of exam you see depends on the permissions set by your school's admin. If you notice exams from courses you don't teach, it means you have access to manage all assigned exams. The table displays key exam details, including the title, teacher, student, and marks. Let's break down the status column. Assigned in orange means the exam has been assigned to the student. Received in green means they've submitted it. Marked in purple means the teacher has already graded the exam, and completed means the student has already viewed the exam result. There is also a missed deadline status, if the exam is beyond the deadline and has not been submitted. Now, in the Actions column, click the Mark button next to the exam to open the marking panel. At the top of the panel, review the exam details, including the student name, title, subject, and number of questions to ensure you're evaluating the correct exam. Scroll to the Questions section to begin marking. For each question, review the student's response and enter the score in the points field. If needed, provide feedback in the feedback field under each question to offer suggestions or comments for improvement. Once all questions are marked, double-check the scores for accuracy. When ready, click the Submit button to save the scores. After submitting, you'll see the status updates to marked, indicating grading is complete. You can then click Send in the Actions column to share the results and feedback with the student. And that's it. Simple, right? I hope this helped. We'll catch you next time on ilerno.